I'm recording.
I don't even know how to get this into her mouth. I don't think she likes it.
Oh.
I already got half of it on the view. You're spitting it out. You're supposed to eat it. As soon as I put it in, she says right back out. It's not going well. You're supposed to swallow it.
Alright, try another spoonful. This is new for her too. It's new for her.
You're just gonna get it all over your bib. No, baby. Eat it. You're not supposed to laugh. You're supposed
But
to eat
it's
it.
funny. Yeah, look, here's the camera. Do it for the camera, Mija.
Ready, go. No, yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Eat it. Here you go. Is it good? No? Here, one more bite. You're making a mess. You're not even eating it.